The Chrome feature, Create a Theme with AI, provides a user-friendly way to personalize the appearance of the Chrome browser. Here's a more detailed overview. 1. User input. Users start by providing their preferences. This can include specific colors, themes, or keywords that describe the desired aesthetic. 2. AI-driven design. The feature uses artificial intelligence to analyze the input and generate a custom theme. The AI considers factors such as color harmony, contrast, and design patterns to create a visually appealing theme. 3. Customization options. Users have the ability to further tweak the generated theme. They can adjust colors, patterns, and other design elements to better match their personal taste. 4. Real-time preview. As users make adjustments, they can see a real-time preview of how the theme will look in their browser. This allows for immediate feedback and fine-tuning. 5. Save and apply. Once satisfied with the design, users can save the theme and apply it to their Chrome browser. The theme will customize various elements of the browser interface, including the background, tabs, and toolbars. 6. Sharing. Users can also share their custom themes with others, making it easy to distribute and use unique designs created through the AI tool. This feature enhances the Chrome user experience by providing a simple yet powerful way to create personalized, aesthetically pleasing browser themes without the need for advanced design skills.